Today, let's dive into the mystical world of manifestation and explore how you can harness this incredible power to shape your reality. Manifestation is about turning your dreams into reality by aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your desires. It's a process grounded in the universal law of attraction, which states that like attracts like. First, you need to be crystal clear about what you want. This is the foundation of manifestation. Vague desires yield vague results. Take time to reflect and write down your goals in detail. For instance, instead of saying, "I want to be successful," specify what success looks like to you. Is it a particular job, a lifestyle, or a certain level of income? The more specific you are, the better. Visualization is a powerful tool in the manifestation process. Close your eyes and imagine your desired outcome as if it's already happening. Engage all your senses. See the vibrant colors, hear the sounds, feel the emotions, and even smell the scents associated with your success. This practice helps to imprint your desires on your subconscious mind, making them feel more attainable. Feel the emotions that come with achieving your goals. Emotions are energy in motion, and they play a crucial role in attracting your desires. If you want to manifest love, feel the joy and warmth of being loved. If you want to manifest abundance, feel the gratitude and excitement of having plenty. Your emotional state sends out vibrations that attract similar energies back to you. Affirmations are positive statements that reinforce your beliefs and intentions. They help to reprogram your mind, replacing limiting beliefs with empowering ones. For example, say, "I am worthy of love and happiness," or "I attract abundance effortlessly." Repeat your affirmations daily, preferably in front of a mirror, to boost their effectiveness. Manifestation isn't just about thinking and feeling, it also requires action. Listen to your intuition and take steps towards your goals. These actions, no matter how small, show the universe that you're serious about your desires. Remember, the universe loves action and will respond to your efforts with opportunities and synchronicities. Finally, trust the process and let go of any attachment to the outcome. This doesn't mean giving up on your desires. It means having faith that the universe will bring them to you in the best way possible. Sometimes, what we manifest might not come in the form we expect, but it will always align with our highest good. Letting go of attachment reduces resistance and allows the energy to flow freely. Manifestation is a beautiful dance between your mind, emotions, and the universe. By being clear about your intentions, visualizing your desires, aligning your emotions, using affirmations, taking inspired action, and trusting the process, you can create the life you've always dreamed of. Remember, you are a powerful being, capable of manifesting your deepest desires. Thank you for joining me today. Stay magical and keep manifesting your dreams into reality. Until next time, blessed be.